Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be taking a look at the ultimate guide to using Suno AI v3. That is, how to write a full song using Suno AI v3. And we will also share some interesting prompting secrets. As a music creator or lover of music who enjoys creating your own song, even if it is just a hobby, if you haven't maximized the use of text prompts and tags in your Suno AI music compositions, you're missing out on unlocking the full potential of your AI music assistant. Today, we're excited to guide you through the ins and outs of prompting Suno AI and leveraging tags to elevate your compositions. In other words, we're going deep into different ways to effectively prompt Suno AI and how to use tags to enhance your musical pieces creatively. Don't miss any part of this guide, as I'll also be sharing a special technique that allows you to change the voice of your Suno AI songs and even create captivating duets. Let's get started. When you start using Suno AI in the song description mode, you are to write out a prompt akin to engaging in a conversation with a friend. You can start with a basic prompt, much like conversing with ChatGPT. For instance, you might start with something as simple as an idea for a song like reggae dub track about AI music. This straightforward prompting is your entry, your ticket to start making music in the world of music creation with Suno AI. One of the best things about Suno is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get great results. However, for Suno prompting, you're basically limited to roughly 188 characters or about 31 words for the basic prompting, and you can still get the best result with this basic prompt. But if you want or desire more refined control over the output, you can add a bit of more specific instruction, and you can really fine-tune your music to sound exactly how you want it to. This means you can experiment with your music, mixing different sounds and styles to see what you like best. Suno AI lets you play around and have fun while learning, making it a perfect tool for beginners and more experienced users alike. Plus, the more you use it, the better you'll get at guiding the AI to create music that truly expresses your ideas and personality. Upon prompting Suno to create a basic reggae dub track, you will definitely get a fascinating result. The AI mixes together digital beats and smooth tunes, making a song that sounds like a perfect blend of new and classic styles. This showcases the AI's ability to generate music that not only sounds good but feels innovative. This means that when you use Suno AI, you're not just playing around with sounds. You're actually getting to explore how music can evolve with technology. The AI helps you experiment with different musical elements, giving you hands-on experience crafting songs that could be the next big hit. It's like having a mini music studio right at your fingertips, where you can see your musical ideas come to life in real time. To explore further, you can consider enhancing your prompt by specifying styles and themes. We gave Suno AI a more specific idea to work with. Reggae dub tune about AI in music, start with classic reggae vibes and add futuristic electronic melodies, mix in electronic drum beats, and blend traditional instruments with spacey sounds. The outcome? Suno AI created an awesome vibe-catching track that mixes old-school reggae with cool, new electronic sounds. This song really grabs your attention and shows how well Suno AI can mix different musical styles into one track, demonstrating Suno AI's capability to handle complex and layered musical directives. This example helps you see that you can be very specific about what you want in your music when you use Suno AI. You can blend old tunes you might hear on your parents' playlists with the kind of futuristic sounds you'd find in a sci-fi movie. It's like being a musical chef, mixing ingredients to cook up something unique and exciting. Each time you give Suno AI a detailed prompt, it's like challenging it to create a masterpiece, helping you learn more about music and creativity as you go. While Suno AI usually creates catchy lyrics, sometimes the words might not quite match what you were hoping for in terms of mood or style. If this happens, that's where Suno AI's customization features come into play. You have a few options. You can tweak the AI's output or even rewrite the lyrics to match your artistic vision better. Here, you can either tweak the lyrics manually or use the Continue from this song feature in custom mode, which allows Suno to generate alternate lyrics that might better fit your song. Another neat trick is to use another AI tool like ChatGPT to help rewrite the lyrics. By using these tools, you can ensure that the lyrics of your song express your thoughts and feelings just right. So when you're working with Suno AI, remember, you're not stuck with the first thing it creates. You can mix and change things until you get the perfect song, showing how creative and flexible you can be with your music projects. Meta tags in Suno AI are helpful labels that you use to guide the AI as it creates your song. For example, you can use tags like verse, chorus, or hook to structure your song and tell Suno where to place these parts in your music. You can also use meta tags to set the mood for different parts of the song. By adding tags like sad verse or happy chorus, you're basically telling the AI to make the verse sound sad or the chorus sound cheerful. This is a great way to make sure that the emotions in your song match what you want to express. Now let's talk about one of the coolest features of Suno AI V3, the ability to modify the voice of your AI singer. After you download your song, you can use a tool called Kits AI to tweak the singer's voice. You can change the tone and style of the voice, or even create a duet with two voices singing together. This feature is perfect for those looking to experiment with diverse vocal textures or produce songs that feature multiple vocalists. It's like being a director in a movie, but instead of telling actors what to do, you're telling the AI how to sing your song. This lets you get really creative with your music, experimenting with all sorts of vocal styles until you find the perfect one for your track. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to share it with the world. Get your music published on major streaming platforms like Spotify and iTunes, and ensure your AI-crafted tracks reach as wide an audience as possible. Suno AI V3 has completely changed how we make music, making it more enjoyable, accessible, fun, highly customizable, and really flexible to use. Whether you're a seasoned musician who has been making music for years, just doing it for fun, or a hobbyist, the tools and tips we've talked about today can really improve your music projects and inspire endless creativity. Suno AI gives you the tools to mix and match different music styles, play with various sounds, and even change the singer's voice, all in a way that feels like playing a game. This makes creating music not just about hitting the right notes, but also about exploring your creativity and bringing your unique ideas to life in your songs. Lastly, recently we've noticed that Suno AI has added more restrictions to what lyrics it can generate. For example, it won't let you use lyrics from songs that are copyrighted, which means if you try to use lyrics from famous songs, Suno AI won't create the music. Also, Suno AI avoids using very strong swear words or any words that are really offensive. Words like the N-word or other offensive terms related to private parts are off limits. Also, if you try to name your song with a swear word, Suno AI won't allow it. For instance, trying to name a song F Your Feelings using the full curse word, and Suno AI wouldn't accept it. Anyways, these restrictions are only within Suno AI. When you upload your music to other platforms like Spotify or YouTube, you can name your track whatever you want. These rules are in place to ensure that the content is appropriate and respectful, which is really important, especially when sharing music online, where lots of different people will hear it. It's good to be aware of these limits so you can plan your lyrics and song titles accordingly. That is the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Leave a comment below with your experiences or any results you've achieved using Suno AI. Thanks for watching and keep creating.